The most interesting thing about the program is maybe like it's very project-based, so we do a lot of case studies and we can learn a lot from presentation in groups.
Discovering a new city, such as London, which is obviously a huge asset.
Meeting executives from SmartGlobal, from BP, from Traffic Bureau.
The first thing was the trading challenge, and the other thing was quite impressive for me to visit the nuclear plant.
The first conference that we had with Professor Samuel Forfari, who is a leader in the energy sector, and his vision on the oil and gas sector and how it's expected to evolve has been of prime importance to me.
You have a wider picture of what's happening and why it happened at some point and what is supposed to happen in the future. So it's really interesting to have all those different tools.